Hey, what's up, everybody? We got a 2017 Jaguar XE, and we're doing rear brake pads. So this right here is a little different from your conventional style. So you do have your two caliper bolts, and those are 7mm hex keys, Allen wrenches. So that's a 7, but you will also need a 5mm, and that's going to be for the electronic parking brake. So right here you got your two 7mm caliper bolts, and then right here you got a 5mm Allen there, and then you got another one right there, and it's splined onto this. This is an inverted Torx, so you will not be able to pull this off until you undo this first. So you gotta take these two 5mm Allen or hex bolts out, and then you can just slide it off with a screwdriver. Just kind of pry it back, it'll slide off. It's a little tight on there at first, and after doing that, then you can compress this right here. You cannot compress this without taking this off. So when you're doing this, you can just use the regular caliper tool right here, right? And so as you're squeezing this right here, you're gonna have to turn this simultaneously. So you turn this clockwise while you squeeze with your caliper tool. And this right here, it's like an inverted Torx, but a 9mm socket will work also. So but you cannot compress the piston unless you turn this right here clockwise. So after you get done doing that and making your adjustment, and it's all the way tight and it won't go anymore, then you just put it back on, and then you're gonna have to line this up, just kind of play with it like, and line it back up so that it splines onto your caliper. But that's this is a 2017 Jaguar XE. This is some new electronic fancy stuff. This is just basically for it's the parking brake. But thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.